Generally speaking, it's difficult to obtain sole legal custody of a child or the children. In order to be successful in convincing a judge or the court that you should be granted sole legal custody, you're really, in essence, going to need to convince the judge that the other parent is an unfit parent for various reasons. It could be that he or she has issues with drug abuse, using illegal substances. It could be that the other parent is hitting the child or engaging in child abuse. It could be that the other parent has some type of mental illness that makes it unsafe for him or her to have contact and be around the children. Again, a mental illness alone is definitely not enough. The real question would be to what extent, if at all, that mental illness impacts on the best interests of the children. So the court is going to be focused on the question of what is in the best interests of this child or the children. And if the court believes that it's in the best interests of the children for one parent to not be involved at all in the children's lives, then the judge may grant sole legal custody to one party. But the thing to know going into that type of an issue, if that's what's being requested, is that it's often an uphill battle. It is generally difficult to obtain sole legal custody. And the court is really going to be, again, tuned into whether or not the one parent poses any type of harm or risk to the safety and well-being of the children. If the parent does not, then it's going to be very difficult to convince the judge that you should be granted sole legal custody.